Hey, Christian. What's up? They're going to be working on a project, so let me just introduce you to everyone. So this anger.
Stupid computer.
This pride. Hey. This sloth.
She's sleeping.
Yeah, just move on. This is envy. This is lust. Don't mess with her. That's gluttony. And then there's one more person, but you don't really have to know him. And that's your desk right there.
Sounds good. Thanks.
Yeah, no problem.
You introduced me.
Oh, my dear. Hey.
I'm
Hi, Green.
Listen, I just got a real question for you.
Yeah.
You want a llama lasagna?
I'm sorry, what?
A llama lasagna.
That's what I thought you said.
I got some right here for you.
You know, I'm fine.
Perfect, because I was going to share some with you anyway. Good working with you, kid. It'll be fun.
Hey, so I'm Christian, I'm the new guy at work. I'm excited to start my day. I just really want to be a real solid light bulb. You know, we'll see. Hey, Les, you have to work? This is a phone number. Is this your phone number?
Don't you dial the number from my mom?
Thanks. Hey, Anger, do you have any work done by any chance?
I'll give you the work when I want to.
Oops. Let me just wipe that off for you.
Hey, so this is a little bit of what I got done.
Okay.
Tell me if you like
All right,
it.
all right, okay. Okay, yeah, so this is very terrible. Here's my plan, and I'm pretty sure it's like 10 times better than yours. So, here we go. There you go.
This is literally irrelevant.
It's literally completely relevant and completely correct and way better than yours, so.
Can't
Yeah.
argue with that.
Yeah, that's good.
Hey, so I really gotta get some work done. Have you by any chance?
Why does Gluteny eat so much and never get fat?
That's pretty weird, but the thing is,
Why does Les get all the guys?
the numbers on this doesn't match
Why does
up.
Anger always get angry?
Yeah, you're right. Just. Hey, Sloth, this has been a long day. Do you by any chance? Sloth? Naruto-san, we must finish this essay, but first, you must defeat the ninjas.
I should not fail you with the help of my ninjas.
Sloth. Sloth. Sloth! You right?
Yeah, I just, okay.
Hey,
I'll give you the word.
let's do today. Hey, Reed, could you please tell me?
Yes, this work is excellent.
You like it?
Yes, it's my work now.
No, wait,
I should do
So in the beginning of the day, I said I want to be salt, and light, and this, and greed happened, and greed is so weird.
What do you do differently from us?
I mean, pretty normal stuff. I go to work, I go to the gym, read my Bible.
Bible? What's the Bible?
Well, in the Bible, there's like the story about Jesus. and-
Jesus.
Well, I mean, if you guys really want to know, I could, if y'all free on Sunday, I could all invite you to my church. And sound good?
Okay, yeah, acceptable.